by the end of this easy guitar tutorial for 8-year-olds, you'll know exactly how to play your first song on guitar. And also look out for one of David's special top tips to help you along the way. So let's jump straight in.
Guitar for Kids with David Aldridge.
Okay, so essentially there's two parts that make up Seven Nation Army. So we're going to jump straight in and we're going to learn the first part. So here we go. So in this tutorial, at the bottom of the screen here, I've provided some numbers, and that's really going to help you to locate the frets and strings and just make it more visual for you. Also, you can watch my fretboard to just completely copy what I'm doing. But these strings and frets at the bottom are what we call guitar tabs. And this is one way we read music on the guitar. So we have the strings going this way and the frets going this way. Also today, I'm going to be using a guitar pick, but it's also okay to use your thumb to pluck the strings. Remember, you can pause and re-watch the video as often as you like, and I do recommend doing that. But here we go. Okay, so that's our main riff of Seven Nation Army. And then all this does is repeat. Don't worry if you can't keep up. You might want to pause the video and practice it, and then it's going to get faster with every time you play it. You'll just get that little bit faster. Okay, so here's the second part to Seven Nation Army.
Have you ever struggled to learn guitar? We are here to help you find your fun and power your confidence. Guitar Star in 30 Days is a fun-filled guide to learning guitar for children 6+, packed with challenges, facts, and quizzes to make kids smile. So, get involved, get creative, and remember, you're amazing! Take your Guitar Star in 30 Days challenge today by visiting davidguitarcoach.co.uk. See you in class! Let your light shine!
So that's 8 times. That's 8 times. And then in the song, you go back into the main riff. Be sure to watch the song demo at the end so you can play along with me. If this video is helping you right now, I'd love for you to like this video and subscribe to the channel. And then you can be notified when I post new weekly videos just like this, helping you closer to becoming that Disney star or pop star. Here's some more top tips from David. 1. The most important aspect of learning how to play the guitar is how often you practice. So here's the top tip I use with my students who I teach and who are in the Guitar Star in 30 Days program. If you want to see faster progress on the guitar, practice at least 5 times a week. Little and often is better than binge practicing. We get greater results. 2, when learning a song, play the whole of the song at least 3 times in one practice session. Here at Guitar Star in 30 Days, we have a saying which is once is never enough. And the third one, leave your practice session accomplishing at least one thing, however small this is. This will motivate you to pick up the guitar next time. Another positive affirmation we have at Guitar Star in 30 Days is small wins and big gains. I just want you to imagine this for a moment. If you just got 1% better each day, you would be 365% better than you are now. I'm just jumping in here real quickly because I'm calling all parents and grandparents. If you'd love to teach or learn alongside your precious one and create those everlasting memories and connections, and then if you also want to learn in a more guided and structured way with progress trackers and fun quizzes and fun facts, then you can go and check out my brand new book, Guitar Star in 30 Days. The link to the book is just at the bottom here of this video. Thank you for making it to the end of today's tutorial. I appreciate you all and all your great efforts. And I do understand sometimes guitar can feel like a challenge. But I believe in you and I totally know that you've got this. And great things will happen in your playing if you keep consistent, because that's the power of practice, my friends. You know, I'd love to see you in Guitar Star in 30 Days program someday and join this awesome community.
Lee Vatkin, who's going to play lead guitar. Put your hands together. Freddie, who's playing rhythm guitar. And Shady, who's going to sing for us. And they're going to play a Oasis song called Live Forever.
So you can share your musical gifts with your friends, family, and even maybe the greater world. That's my time, and I look forward to seeing you in future videos.